The best investment you can make is to invest in yourself. Hello everyone, this is मनीष शर्मा एंड आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले होंगे 5 ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज की जो कि आगे जाकर आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाली होंगी आपके सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग जर्नी में. These courses can really make you smarter and more intelligent अगर आप इन्हें पूरी ईमानदारी और मेहनत से करते हो तो. As per the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, software developer jobs are expected to grow 21% through 2028, far above average than the other occupations. So 2024 is the best time where you can invest in yourself and start learning to code. And अगर आप अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करने वाले हो एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर, so these courses can be a stepping stone which can lift up your career in the upcoming years of your software engineering journey. According to one of the research on why 80 to 85% of Indian engineers are unemployable, one of the main reasons was the curriculum or the syllabus with which today's engineering institutes are operating with. And this outdated curriculum highlights a significant difference between what is taught in colleges and what the industry demands from you. So you can't be missing out on these courses which can help you stay ahead of the curve and help you acquire the comprehensive skill sets needed to stay in demand in the software industry. So बिना किसी further ado के let's deep dive into our courses. Number one course in this list is Harvard CS50 course. हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में जानते तो सब होंगे पर उसमें पढ़ने का मौका बहुत कम लोगों को मिल पाता है. But don't worry, even if you are studying in a college in India, you will get the same experience as a student sitting in a class at Harvard gets. Taught by David J. Malan, this is one of the most popular courses in the field of computer science. इस कोर्स में आप लर्न कर रहे होंगे from one of the best instructors available and you will be getting access to a top quality course. And the best thing is that all of this is available for free of cost on YouTube. Isn't that amazing? Even if you are a beginner and don't know much about computer science, you can still do this course. In fact, हर 3 में से 2 स्टूडेंट जो ये कोर्स कर रहा होता है, they have never taken a computer science course before. This course starts from the fundamentals of computer science by learning C, arrays, algorithms, and will take you to a whole new journey of learning technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, cybersecurity, and Flask. It has an average of 2 hours lecture and has a total of 12 videos in the playlist. The last part of the course is a final project where you can build anything of your interest. So you can dive right in and start your coding journey right from today itself. Second course in this list is Meta's Front-End Professional Certificate. फेसबुक यूज करके टाइम तो बहुत वेस्ट कर लिया आप लोगों ने, बट फेसबुक यूज करके कभी टाइम यूटिलाइज करने का सोचा है? नहीं समझे? The second course in this list comes from the brand Meta itself, in which they are offering Meta's Front-End Developer Professional Certificate. This course will skyrocket your chances to begin your career as a software developer, and you can use this course to prepare for an interview as well as get job-ready projects in your portfolio. अगर आप डेटा स्ट्रक्चर से एल्गोरिदम्स पढ़ने जाओगे देन आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी बहुत स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए. बट अगर आपको प्योर डेवलपमेंट सीखना है देन यू कैन स्किप द मैथ्स एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग पार्ट. जब मैं डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट कर रहा था यार, मुझे बहुत डाउट थे कि मैं पहले मशीन लर्निंग सीखूं या वेब डेवलपमेंट सीखूं, मैं एंगुलर पे डेवलपमेंट करूं या रिएक्ट पे डेवलपमेंट करूं, या मैं वर्डप्रेस सीखूं डेवलपमेंट के लिए. तो ऐसा डाउट आपके मन में भी होता होगा, इसलिए दिस कोर्स इज द बेस्ट टू गेट स्टार्टेड बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में मिलता है. एंड गेटिंग ऑल द थिंग्स इन अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्लेस इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वेब डेवलपमेंट इतना बड़ा फील्ड है कंप्यूटर साइंस का दैट यू कैन गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड इजिली एंड कैन लूज योर पाथ इन द जर्नी. सो यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में मिलेगा एंड प्लस दिस कोर्स इज टॉट बाय मेटा's staff themselves, so you can rest assured about the quality of the course. Third course in this list is Machine Learning by Andrew Ng. Stepping into the world of machine learning can be intimidating, especially when you are just starting with topics like regression models, learning algorithms, supervised and unsupervised learning, and more. This course is suitable both for beginners and professionals in the industry and is taught by one of the leading figures in the world of machine learning and artificial intelligence, Andrew Ng. यार ये one of the first courses है जो मैंने करा था when I was embarking my journey as a software developer. And one thing I have observed from my experience is that Andrew Ng has a clear and comprehensive style of teaching and hands-on exercises जो होते हैं हर chapter के बाद, that makes the learning experience more effective. Right from the introduction of machine learning, this course will make you acquainted with techniques used in machine learning like regression models, gradient descent, vectorization, feature scaling, supervised and unsupervised learning, logistic regression, and much more. So you should definitely try out this course and you can audit this as well from Coursera. Fourth course in this list is Introduction to Algorithms by MIT University. हर इंजीनियर एक बड़ी सी बुक अपनी लाइफ टाइम में जरूर देखता है जो कि है इंट्रोडक्शन टू एल्गोरिथम्स बाय CLRS. Just like Harvard CS50, this course by MIT OpenCourseWare is available on YouTube for free and has been watched by millions of students all over the world. It is being taught by MIT's own teaching faculty, Professor Charles Lyserson and Professor Eric Demain. एंड इस CLRS का जो L आता है ना यार, वो आता है प्रोफेसर चार्ल्स लाइसरसन के L से. So he is also a co-author of the book. This course will teach you technique for the design and analysis of efficient algorithms, emphasizing methods useful in practice. The faculties will be teaching you topics like searching, sorting, hashing, heaps, dynamic programming, graph algorithms, network flow, divide and conquer, and many more. This course is available for free on YouTube and comprises of 23 lectures. All of them are in an average of 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes each. And trust me guys, this is one of the best course out there for anyone who want to learn algorithms. Fifth course in this list is System Design by Shreyans Jain. Let's be honest, we as a student have always neglected system design, thinking कि चलो ये तो working professionals के लिए है and we can skip this for our placements. But with the recent changes in the hiring process of software industries, now they are asking system design for freshers as well. And this is one of the best available course for system design which I have personally taken last year, and it will help you learning system design from scratch. ये कोर्स आप कर सकते हो from Concept and Coding channel, and this is a gold mine for everyone if you want to learn system design from scratch and with proper examples and code. He will teach you all the important patterns required in system design like horizontal scaling, load balancing and caching. And हर एक पैटर्न के लिए इन्होंने एक अलग से वीडियो बना के रखा है which will help you adapt the curriculum easily. So whether you are a fresher or a working professional, system design is for all and should be learned by all. So guys, ये थे 5 different courses in computer science using which you can transform your programming journey in no time. That being said, you should remember that staying ahead in a dynamic tech landscape will require from you an unwavering commitment to continuous learning and adaptability. So guys, on your marks, get, set, code. मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बी हैप्पी एंड कीप लर्निंग. बाय.